Hello everybody, welcome to this live. Let me tell you what's the difference between this channel and the other channel. In this channel we are talking about 6th generation of one cat, and the other channel talking about part of the life of one cat. Here we are talking about 6th generation of one cat. Her name is Young Lady. Young Lady born in Christmas Day 7 years ago. I start publish video from Young Lady birthday until now in the YouTube about Young Lady and Young Lady family. Now the channel have more than 22,000 video about 6th generation of Young Lady. I think it is the longest daily cat story in the YouTube. And you can search in the Google the longest daily cat story. You will find my channel. I call the channel Time Machine Cat. It means any cat you see in more than 22,000 video, you can find a video. Who is the mom? Who is the grandma? Who is the grandma? And who is the grandma? Now Young Lady have 6th generation, and also she have 7 group grandchild and 1 group grandchild. This group are group 5 of grandchild of Young Lady, and today are 291 days old. And the other groups, they are in the different place of the house. If you want support big family of Young Lady, would you please subscribe the channel and like the video if you are interested.